Be able to say, give me your money, 5,000 cars ready to stop and ask me silly questions. I think more deeply than you do, and I'll see you on Mars. Tesla's stock is currently worth $635 billion, and it looks like a big portfolio manager is taking a risk to keep it from falling even more. This may sound like a conspiracy theory, but that's how Tesla's market works. Someone could be copying Cathie Wood's strategies to keep Tesla's stock from falling any further, but can they really push it back to $1 trillion valuation? It's like trying to put Humpty back together again. There are too many things that stands in the way. We might see a big rise in its value across the board. That's an exciting turn of events that we'll be talking about in this video. But before we go any further, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. Greetings and welcome to Tesla Stock News. Let's begin, but first, let's change the subject. Pay attention to what Jim Cramer said recently. He's sure that there's no next when the market is unstable like it is today. NVIDIA made this point clear at CNBC's yearly Investing Club meeting. It seems almost impossible to find a company with as much revenue growth as NVIDIA. Cramer thinks that NVIDIA's success story, which is based on artificial intelligence, makes it stand out. With trillions of dollars at stake, it's hard to imagine another company having such a huge market all to itself. Now, let's talk trillion-dollar companies. Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, and NVIDIA are the elite members of this club. Could there be more competitors in the $600 billion to $700 billion range? With an $885 billion market cap, Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway might have a chance, but Buffett is still cautious and prefers disciplined investments to hasty acquisitions, which could hurt companies like Coca-Cola and American Express. Time will tell if it can make it $1 trillion, and Jim Cramer's ideas often go against what most people think. In fact, only a few companies like Apple recently, the market values of Microsoft, Alphabet, Amazon, and NVIDIA have all gone up by a lot. These companies are now in a special group that touches the $1 trillion mark. Mark showing the huge problems other people face when they try to reach the same market value highs. If you look at Tesla stock, things don't seem to be moving as quickly as they are for other companies in the market. While Bitcoin is on the rise again, Tesla is still having trouble picking up speed. When earnings go up, stock prices usually go down, but Tesla's earnings are going down at a huge 45 times profits. Even though it's going down, Tesla is still a pricey investment because it costs more than big names like NVIDIA and Microsoft. Now let's talk about Cybertrucks. Rivian is getting into the electric vehicle market, but does the Cybertruck have what it takes to steal the show? It's a cool ride, but at around $100,000, it's more of a luxury item than a popular contender to sell 250,000 units. Mark. Tesla needs to make it easier to get, but don't forget that the Model Y and Model 3 are still its main products. Also, that Roadster claim of 0 to 60 in a second sounds exciting, but in reality, it's more likely to send you flying than break speed records. For Elon Musk to try to beat the competition might be a matter of pride, but let's be honest, a car that fast might be too much for the normal person to handle, no matter how hard it is. Analysts think that Tesla will have a 28% annual growth rate in EPS over the next few years thanks to income streams from superchargers, full self-driving, and the company's growth potential. Taxis that drive themselves. There are competitors coming up, but let's not forget AMD. Glory might not be as exciting as NVIDIA's. Cramer really likes it, but when it comes to NYCB, insider buying isn't always a red flag. As my mom always said, if they don't know their own banks, why trust their buying habits? Full self-driving technology from Tesla is a big step forward in transportation because it lets cars drive themselves. FSD not only makes things easier for drivers, but it also creates new ways for Tesla to make money through its planned robo-taxi network. Imagine calling up a Tesla car with your phone and letting it drive you around. This would completely change the way people get around cities. Now let's talk about the Cybertruck and Semi. These cars are more than just electric powertrains. They also show Tesla's dedication to innovation and safety. The Cybertruck's futuristic look and strong construction promise to change the pickup truck market. The Semi-TR, on the other hand, isn't just a way to move goods, it's a game changer for commercial transportation, complete with Tesla's advanced control systems and safety features. The Semi has the ability to make roads safer and cut down on accidents by a large amount. But now things get really interesting. Putting electric semis in place of diesel trucks isn't just good for safety on the road, it's also good for the environment. Tesla wants to cut down on carbon emissions and lessen the damage that freight does to the earth. Transportation Tesla's main goal is to speed up the world's move to clean energy, and this fits with that. Tesla's growth plan isn't just to sell more cars, it's also to change the future of transportation from gas-powered cars to electric trucks. With safety and sustainability at its core, Tesla's roadmap is full of opportunities to shake up many industries and make the world a better place. Tesla isn't just making cars, it's also making the future better for everyone. But let's not forget about Elon Musk, the man behind the scenes. Like him or hate him, he's been a big part of Tesla's success. And while yesterday's call may have left some people confused, the company's track record of stellar growth over the past few years speaks for itself. Tesla is about to start another exciting phase. The year 2024, however, will be tough for them because competitors like the build that grew are coming fast. With only 1.8 million cars sold last year, Tesla needs to step up its game. They're up against tough competition. The $25,000 model could be their saving grace, but time is everything, and let's not forget their secret weapon. Tesla's energy business is growing at an impressive 54% per year. They want to be the world's biggest utility, but the Chinese market is heating up, so there's a lot of pressure. BYD is making news with its competitive line of cars, but can keep up with Musk's lofty schedules, which have sometimes been too far off, but the model might be on track for first-year sales. But here's the catch: the future for Tesla isn't just cars, it's taking over the world's EV market, with China leading the way. Tesla wants to. But the real game is international growth. Sure, it's no longer just about price and range now. Tariffs and privacy are the new battlegrounds. Can Tesla manage these murky waters and come out on top? BYD's impressive lineup of cars makes it tough competition. Elon Musk has set very lofty goals for Tesla, and the company isn't backing down from them. Off the Mark still has hope, and the company may be able to meet their sales goals for the first quarter of next year. Tesla is about to make a name for itself in the Chinese market, but the company has bigger plans than just selling cars. It's about being the world's biggest electric car company. China is the leader in adopting EV in the market. Even though Tesla knows it's important to go global, it's no longer just a matter of price and range. Tariffs and privacy worries have become new battlegrounds. Another hot tick is Tesla's possibility for making money. The company expects to keep making a lot of money per delivery and has big plans for the Optimus and FSD software. Tesla sales could go through the roof, and let's not forget about the energy business. Tesla's energy business is a gold mine waiting to be mined, and growth is on the way. But not everyone believes in Tesla's trillion-dollar dreams. Cramer's optimistic outlook is called into question by unstable stock prices and tough competition. To reach that milestone, it would take an enormous amount of work. And even then, outside factors could tip the scales. Only time will tell if Tesla can reclaim its throne, but one thing is for sure: its journey is far from over. With innovation at its core and ambition in its DNA, we'll be on the edge of our seats as we read Tesla's story. Tesla's path back to the glory days of the $1 trillion is a wild ride full of challenges and chances. With Jim Cramer's bold prediction stirring things up, the stage is set for Tesla to make a comeback. But can they get over the obstacles and recover their throne will? Could going global be the key to their success? What about the energy sector? Could that be the key to Tesla's future riches? Leave your ideas in the comments below if you think Tesla can get back to the top. Also, don't forget to like this video if you want to stay up to date on everything Tesla. Also, subscribe to Tesla Stock News to get more useful updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.